This is a family style bacon and veggie vermicelli dish. It is easy to do and it's going to feed the family and it's affordable. Key is to chop everything up before you get started. Slice up your spring onion, beat up your egg, get your peas out, slice your cabbage, your onion, get your brown sugar out. There's more of the spring onion. Dice up your bacon, chop your garlic, make some matchsticks out of your carrots, get your chicken stock ready. We're going to put the soy sauce and the oyster sauce in there and get your noodles soaked and done. Let's get into it. Vermicelli into a bowl and then just top it with some boiling water. We're going to leave it in here for about 4 or 5 minutes. And you want to leave it there just long enough so it's still got a little bit of a bite to it. If you leave it in the water too long, it'll be too soft. Then drain it off. Run some cold water over it to refresh it. Set these aside. Large pan or wok, hot bacon in. 5 to 6 minutes over a medium to high heat. Render the fat out and let's get some colour on that bacon. After 5 or 6 minutes, slice your onion, get that in, and the carrots that are matchsticks. You can do just slices if you like, but it looks kind of funky with matchsticks. We're going to give those about 4 minutes in there. Whilst the carrots and onions are cooking in there, get a tablespoon of oyster sauce in with our stock and soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Give that a mix up. After 4 minutes, put it in something else. Set that aside. Now in with the vermicelli, in with the sauce. Want to get these guys hot. Whilst it's heating up, half of the spring onions that have been chopped up can go in. They're good and hot. Back in with all our beautiful veggies in there and the bacon. Just a little drizzle of sesame oil. Oh, it smells so good. This reheats really well if you need to do it in advance. And then onto a large platter. One last thing, a little bit of that sesame oil in there. And it's hot. Just 1 egg that's been lightly beaten. Some of the spring onions that's left over. And this is a good way to get all the bits that are left over. That's done. And we'll take that out. Can't beat feeding the family with a bacon and veggie vermicelli dish. It's affordable, it's banging with flavour, and it's so easy to do, and it reheats well. Somebody's coming home late after sports or whatever, heat it up in the microwave.